Let them articulate those ones.
Kamiti ya mbunge igie kigina kia mwingi ni thire na mbere na ciikaro cia kungania mawoni ma mwingi megie mutaratara wa watho wa kigina wa mwaka ukite. Kuri umuthi amukirire mawoni kuma kiama kia athondeki indo gia KEM. Kiama kia anyitite miruhonge-ini rwa andu kiumbe hamwe na angi aria matariirie kwaga kuiganira na mutaratara ucio uria wendekithitio. Kuringana na aigithia ruhonge-ini rwa thimiti na cuma, thirikari iri ugwati-ini wa kurwo ni makiria ma ciringi mbirioni 100 cia aigithia ruhonge-ini ruru. Angikorwo ni gukinyaniria kugathika igoti ria gicunji kia 10 hari 100 ria uigithia toria riendekithitio mutaratara-ini uyu.
When VAT was brought in regard to exported services, there was a dip in the industry. There multinationals or service-based companies are relocating these particular services to be undertaken from Mauritius, from Dubai, from Rwanda, from Uganda. This only means that Kenyans are losing out on jobs.
Why would we want to make our products globally and competitive? We are leading now globally in avocado export, into export. Then you come and levy paper that is used to package these products.
The minute you add your levies on this, your unga prices will go up. Because guess what? Unga is packaged in. So you can forget about lowering the cost of unga.
Iguru rio aigithia ya maugite makiria ma aruti wira 100,000 nio mangiurwo ni mawira mao mangihinga iganda ciao na kuithamiria mabururi turiganitie. Riu makiuria thirikari kumaigua na kweheria igoti riri kuona uritu wario ungikorwo uri wa gikiro kia iguru bururi-ini.
Here, this industry, 100,000 jobs. And this is not something that will happen next financial year. If this goes through, you start seeing impact immediately.
No na kuri uguo aigithia aya ni makuruhanetie ucindani wa kiwonjoria na gukorwo huthikite hari kumbwo kwa watho uyu. Kuona makuruhanetie mwonjoria umwe sekta-ini ya thimiti na cuma na gukorwo akihurira ndebe riendekithia riri niguo kuhotomia onjoria angi. Makiria aria matari na uhoti munene wa gwithondekera indo iria maguraga kuma nja wa bururi hari guthondeka thimiti na cuma. Kuringana na aigithia ya uritu uria ungiumana na kuhingwo kwa iganda ciao ni hamwe na kuhotoma gwa kioneki gia Kenya Kwanza kia waki wa nyumba cia thogora wa thi. Guko ningi mendekithitie kurugamio kwa igoti ria nyumba kwa ihinda niguo guthondekwo watho wa uria ribatie kuramatagwo.
We are here talking about housing levy, which is a big challenge to Kenyans. But on the other side, you want to monopolize and create bottlenecks for the construction materials that are going to build affordable housing.
Mwene-ini wa wanyitite miruhonge-ini rwa maguta ni mareganete na riendekithia ria kuongerera igoti ria VAT nginya gicunji kia 16 hari 100. Makiuga wona ria kinyanirio ringiongerera thogora wa maguta na gatagati ga ciringi 12 na ciringi 17 o lita.
Essentially what we are doing is financing government through KRA, through a lot of we are putting our capital in KRA, and it's becoming a very big issue. A lot of our members have left the industry.
We let them
Kameme TV, jitagwo Mawura, Wagunya.